the clinical presentations for our patients were very clear, and many of those patients presented with symptoms with exposure to high concentration of chlorine, having difficulty breathing, having burns to their corneas. But also, there has been some patients who deteriorated upon arrival to the hospital. We have 6 patients who passed away as they are in the hospital waiting for their medical treatment, including 1 female. And some of those patients had symptoms concerning for exposure to low concentration nerve gas. This is being reviewed right now as we have many teams reviewing the details. But certainly, the chemical exposure has been confirmed, and it's very detailed in our press release, as was pointed out earlier.